Welcome to another video by Stan's Auto Repair, formerly known as Dodge Neon Racing. Today we're going to be doing an AC R134 top off. Also, if not, we're just checking the system. This can actually came from Walmart. That's what you need. The best to buy it with the regulator. And as you can see in there, you have the green, which would be considered low. If it pops up in the blue, it's filled. If it goes in the yellow, then you have an issue with your system. If it's in the red, you definitely have an issue. So if you ever get the needle in the yellow or the red, you definitely want to go and get your AC checked. You could have, the compressor could be going bad, there could be a clog, something. The evaporator could not be, inside the firewall could not be draining properly. But another thing, you always want to read the directions per the product you buy. There has been some variances depending on the type of product, but mostly they're all the same. So the first thing you want to do is you want to shake this fluid. I mean, you want to shake it. So many people don't give it a good shake. You want to shake well. It's almost like shaking a shake that you make. You put coffee, you put Kool-Aid, you put your water. You know, you want to make sure you get that good little energy drink. I mean, you got to shake it good to get it well mixed. Same method goes here. Now, once it's shook real well, next thing it says to do is start the car and turn on max AC. So that's what we'll do next. We'll start the vehicle. Wait for the dings. Alright, now it's ready. And then over here, I always put it on here. When I do AC, it also helps pull the moisture out of the vehicle, cools the car down a whole lot faster. Make sure that's on max cold. Then turn this on max AC, which is all the way to the left. Newer model PT Cruisers may be different. They may have an electronic, but this one's still cable. Now, your low pressure side is located right here. If you don't have these caps, I would recommend to go find the caps, contact your dealer, or go to a junkyard and get the caps. So that's your low side. Then you want to take your connection and give me a moment. My service manual might be wrong because that should fit directly. I bet you this here is the low side. There we go. Yeah, so correction. The service manual I was using was incorrect. This is the high side, and it's a no-brainer because it's up higher. As you can see, this here is higher than this hose, so this would technically be your high side. And once you get it connected, as you can see, this PT Cruiser here is good. Now I could add a little bit more. In order to do that, I would remove the cap and see what it says. You locate it, you connect it, check the reading gauge. It says if it's in the red, do not attempt to recharge, seek professional help. If the gauge is in the green, screw charge hose on top of can, which it's already on there. Hold upright, shaking and rotating from 12 o'clock to 3 o'clock every few seconds. So upright, this would be upright. Let me get a better hand. We would hold this. Alright, so when I press on it, it goes in the red. That means that my system is fully charged. It cannot take any more. But if you want to be an ass, you can charge it some more. Now let's see, what do we got? Alright, so PSI wise, I'm about 40 PSI. I'm almost there, and that's where I'm wanting to get. I'm wanting to get to 40 PSI in my system. Because when I bought the vehicle, it was at 40, so I wanted to get it back 40. Because it is summertime, and the last thing I want, okay, let it sit, circulate a little bit more. Hold it. It is really difficult to do this one-handed. Some of you might critique me on how I'm doing this, but in my honest opinion, this works. So disconnect it, attach a screw back on, make sure it's under nice and snug. Reattach it. I still have some left. I've done about 3 charges with this one bottle. Once it's done, come back inside. If you guys just patiently wait with me, I just remembered to grab my temperature gun. I hope my girlfriend didn't move it from the location. Nope, it's still there. It's the batteries in it. Check it. Okay, she's working. This is also a good tool to have here if you're checking your heat in the wintertime and your AC. So let's get inside here. Oh, that feels way much colder. Go ahead and roll the window up. We'll go ahead and back it out a little bit. Spot. Yeah, don't attempt to drive with these in the window. I've just done it so much. I necessarily don't need my front windshield. Especially one thing you learn when you race cars is how long your vehicle wide is. So in your mind you can picture your vehicle and your surroundings. That's practically what I'm doing. Okay, scooter in park. For the test here, I'm gonna close all but one vent. Going down. Now that is cold. It's still going. Right now we're down to 21 degrees, 19. Okay, so we're rolling, 18, 17. Okay, so it fluctuates, it looks like, between 17 and 19 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that's pretty cold, I will admit. So I'll open my vents back here. Go ahead and turn her off. Make sure you always, before you shut your car off, make sure you always turn this off, because the last thing you really want is to wear out your compressor fast by kicking it on as soon as you start and your AC is kicking. You can definitely do some damage. Alright, well, I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, and